Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to edit Instagram Reels using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Canva, then go to the video section, and here if you swipe to the right, you will find the Instagram Reels video option, and if you tap on it, Canva is going to open up your editing file, which already has the exact ratio and quality that you need for an Instagram reel. And from here, you have three options that you can do. You can either go to uploads and upload your videos and your pictures and text and anything that you want to add to your Instagram reel. Or you can go to the videos and photo section and use some of these free videos that Canva has. And these are beautiful, very professional videos that you can add to your reels if you want, or photos and even music, because they have a huge library that you can use. Or you can go and use some of their templates, which are designed by professional designers. And with these templates, you can create amazing professional reels. Just tap on one of these templates. And then when you have the template, you can go and customize it to the fullest extent. You can change the colors, the backgrounds, even the video parts. You can change the text. You can add your own logo and anything. So you can customize it. The sky is the limit, but they are still very professional, and the design remains very high quality and engaging. And with these videos, you can create engaging content and generate sales and anything. So it is really an amazing tool, and it is free. So I would recommend using these for everybody. As you can see, they have different categories, and you can also use the search bar to search for Reels templates that fits your industry the best. As you can see here, you can promote your phone application or really anything. Fashion brands, restaurants, they have you covered, so it's pretty cool. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.